Welcome to this lesson. Welcome, Cancer. I'm going to talk to you about water and fire. Are they good together? Are they not? Well, they're different. And so even when you hear water, and you see water and you see that it's just kind of smooth and easier. And then you think of fire. And fire, passionate and exciting and action-oriented, much faster moving than the water. So it's not always an easy couple. It's because the water likes the fire, but yet the fire burns out because of the water. So that's why we're going to talk about how you are with each fire sign. Cancer and Aries. Well, both of you, Cancer is the water and Aries is the fire. And so both of you in your own way like to lead. And the Aries more direct. The Cancer takes their time. So they don't always move the same way. They don't always have the same values. But Cancer likes Aries because Aries is very parental, strong, leader. And even though Cancer can lead, they do look up to the fire. But what they do, because they move much slower, they minimalize the fire's blaze. So it has to be worked on because you are different. You move differently. There is admiration and many times attraction. But there is work because of the way you approach life. Now, Cancer and Leo. Well, Leo's fire, I will. And then, of course, Cancer is more, they're both sensitive. But Cancer is, takes everything inside and gets moody. And where Leo doesn't always talk about their inner feelings, but they're very much out there. So they want to be leaders, and they want to own companies, and they want to be actors. They have all of that excitement in them. Where the Cancer is home, sanctuary, children, and hardworking. They are very hardworking, but the Cancer takes everything personally, and the Leo doesn't always treat them as gently as they want to be treated. So the work would be for the Cancer to let the Leo know, you can't boss me around all the time. I get sensitive and I get insecure. And if you can work on that aspect, it could be workable. And now we have Cancer and Sagittarius. Sagittarius, as I've said, is the more sensitive fire sign. Still has the excitement of wanting to have a quick, action-oriented life, but they're travelers. They love to travel the world, very freedom-seeking. Now, Cancer is, as I've said, is very sensitive and does a good job and can really make things work. Sag likes that about Cancer because Sag kind of likes to flow, where Cancer likes to have everything done in front of them. The only difference is the Cancer tends to take away the Sagittarian's freedom. They love their freedom and they will never be happy without it. So remember, Cancer, if you can't be as freedom-seeking, you have to understand it and explain to the Sag that you're you love your home and you love all of that, which your Sag does too. But you've got to know control is really not, it's very, very much not necessary. I want to invite you to the next lesson, and that's going to be all about Cancer and Earth.